to subjugate this place with brute force.
See that burger them walking with the Reynolds wrapped around
He
them?
could have done it. Who's going to stop him? What? Brute force is over the top, but meticulous force is fine? That's okay. This can go on for years, and that's totally fine. But if he would have just annihilated
I might do a 12 meter
the
stunt
infrastructure,
drive
that would
backwards.
have been beyond the pale. No.
That's the reason why they give you mirrors.
Yeah, one guy walking on your side. What the fuck?
Nasty. You call for the assassination of Pooty. Is it okay for
I had
the
one more lane,
assassination
you
of
turn and go back.
Yeah. Yeah. Thanks, Goose Juice. Listen, I'm going to be on the radio. Again, President Zelensky, at face value, is an inept world leader. He has to. He completely misjudged the situation. His country is in complete free fall.
I get a point for grabbing that
Affairs. And the media's like, no, he's super duper great, No, I just saw, again, for the second time, some sort of nuclear facility false flag fall apart. I don't want to be on Putin's side, but if a nuclear facility gets bloated up, I'm just going with some good old-fashioned Sherlock Holmes logic. Who benefits from a nuclear facility blowing up? And it's this dude, who's been wrapped in a cocoon of media protection. The Simpsons are on his side, boys. Everybody's on this dude's side, even though he's clearly fucking inept. He was telling the entire world his country wasn't going to be invaded. He was telling the entire world that his country wasn't going to be invaded when our country was begging China to stop Russia from invading his country. Wrap your head around that. And again, that came out from the New York Times. The New York Times wrote that article where Joe Biden, for 14 days before the actual invasion, was begging Russia to stop the invasion. And Russia was like, no. Or China, he's begging China to stop the assault that was coming. So Joe Biden knew an assault was coming. Joe Biden knew, which is why he told the Chinese to put a leash on Putin. That fell through, and what, you're telling me you guys left this guy out of the loop? You're telling me he didn't know? So, he's either inept because he's not plugged into what's going on, or he's inept and he didn't see what was going on, or he's just a criminal, or he's working with Putin. If he ends up dead, then obviously he's not working with Putin. But no, this is insane. He brought his own chair. Can you believe it? His own chair. Wow. Holy shit, boys, his own chair.
Oh my god, these flags are so racist.
You got any more propaganda? I'm thirsty for the propaganda. You got any more? Oh yeah, we got a lot more. Meet Volodymyr Zelensky. He's literally a fucking superhero. Third assassination attempt on fails. That's Pete Sparks' nuclear terror. Again, the dude who secured the second nuclear site is the terrorist, the guy who secured it. Who was blowing it up before? Who was fucking with the nuclear sites before the Russians had to go in there and secure them? I imagine the dude who had all of the benefit if a nuclear facility got blown up. And by the way, after surviving his third assassination attempt, he's got to be really pissed because NATO right before the stream told him to get fucked. They're like, no, we're not gonna put a no-fly zone over your country. Volodymyr Zelensky over here is getting hanged out to dry. It looks like we'll probably be sending less weapons to him, less everything to him on his own. If he's on his own, he's fine. If he's not working with Putin, he's dead. He's dead. So that's how I'm gonna know.